Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Grok account. So if you also want to log in Grok account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grok application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Grok application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface of Grok. You'll be able to find the sign in methods over here. Right now you can see the options for continue with X, continue with Google. Also, you might be able to find the option for continue with email. So what you have to do is tap on the sign in method that you use to create your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with Google. Now you can see over here, you'll have to choose an account to continue. So simply tap on your Google account. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Grok account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.